How's it going? This is Henley Johnson, Direct Liquidation. I have another pallet here presented by the lovely Dacia in our Walmart facility. As you can see, she started out unveiling this pallet here, and already we're at $100 value on inventory, one item in. It's insane what you can get on these pallets, really. You can see the size of this pallet behind her as well. It's almost as tall as she is, and she's just started taking items off. 3 items out, and she's at about $120, $150 worth of value. These pallets out of Walmart are great customer return pallets. They're all types of inventory, so they could completely service your customer base, no matter what they're looking for, whether it be sporting goods, outdoor goods, domestic goods. You can see we have multiple different items that Dacia's unraveling here. Again, 6 items in, $300 in value. That's insane. We're all types of different inventory. This is perfect product to purchase if you have a small store, if you have a Facebook group that you utilize, if you have local customers that come to your warehouse. If you're selling by the pallet, you can see that. Imagine if you were doing this pallet in your location. 9 items in, and you're already at $400 in value. Dacia's moving quick through it, but you can see there's still so much inventory in the back of this pallet. I mean, she's pulling off everything from toys to camping equipment, lighting. This is a perfect pallet to have diversified inventory for multiple customers. You could truly make sure that you make good value on this pallet. And if you had 26 of these on a full truckload, oh man, I can't imagine. Dacia's pulling off an igloo freezer here. Okay, perfect for camping and outdoor activities. All types of stuff, really. All across each category from Walmart. So this is truly a really great pallet. We got a leaf blower here, like come on. Perfect springtime activities, sporting goods, toys, everything that you would need on one pallet. As you can see, one pallet in and we're already at $1,000 in value off of just 15 items. I can't imagine what the rest of this full truckload of 26 of these pallets would really unravel for you. So again, if you need inventory across multiple categories from Walmart, make sure you go to directliquidation.com and you utilize the links below and reach out to us directly.